In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hours on Weebly. If you're a business owner or manager who's using Weebly to manage your website, you know the importance of keeping your operating hours up to date. Updating your hours ensures that visitors to your website have the most accurate information. Let's dive in and make sure your profile is perfectly tailored to reflect your available times. First, we need to head over to the free appointment scheduling software and booking app by Square. You can find this by searching online or directly navigating to the Square website. Square provides a robust platform for handling scheduling needs, which complements Weebly seamlessly. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. You'll notice a sign in button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're someone who frequently visits this platform, you might find it helpful to bookmark this page for quicker access in the future. Once logged in, navigate to the Square dashboard. This is the command center where you'll manage appointments, settings, and other features related to your Square and Weebly integration. The dashboard is user-friendly, making it easy to find what you need without getting lost in a maze of menus. Now let's head over to Weebly. From the Square dashboard, look for a direct link to the overview section of your Weebly site. This section gives you a snapshot of your website's activity and configurations. Clicking on the link will seamlessly transition you to your Weebly site's management page. Once you are on the overview page of your Weebly site, locate the Edit Site button. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Edit Site will take you to the Weebly Site Editor, which is a powerful tool for customizing your website to suit your brand's needs. In the Site Editor, look for the option to add a new section. This is typically found in the Site Editor's toolbar. Here, adding a section refers to adding new content, which in this case will be an updated display of your location and operating hours. After selecting to add a new section, you'll see several choices. Look for the location and hours section. By clicking on this, you'll unlock the fields necessary to update or modify your business hours. This addition automatically organizes the information in a way that is clear and easy for visitors to read. Remember to save your changes once you've adjusted the hours. The last thing anyone wants is to make updates only for them not to be reflected because they weren't saved. After saving, take a moment to preview your changes to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your business hours on Weebly. Regularly checking and updating this information is a small task with big rewards in terms of maintaining customer satisfaction and engagement.